According to the internet, a soft skill is a personal attribute that supports situational awareness and enhances an individual's ability to get a job done. The term soft skills is often used as a synonym for people skills or emotional intelligence. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, editing, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Digital marketing is a new age business process that has made it easier for companies and organizations to connect with their consumers through digital channels. Soft skills are the essential traits of an effective marketer, which include creativity, innovation, persuasion, networking abilities, etc. These skills help you build trust and relationships with your customers in order to sell them products or services. There are 5 main types of soft skills: emotional intelligence, communication, teamwork, problem solving, and critical thinking. There are a number of ways in which you can develop your soft skills in digital marketing. You can practice communicating with others, working as a team, and thinking critically. You can also take online courses, which will help you to develop your emotional intelligence, communication, and critical thinking skills. Soft skills are a key component of successful digital marketing. They can be developed through practice and education, and are essential in the delivery of successful campaigns. Digital marketing is all about influencing customers through touchpoints such as email, website, social media, and mobile apps. And to be effective, digital marketing must employ a range of soft skills. These include creativity. Digital marketers need to be creative and innovative to come up with innovative ways to reach and engage their target consumers. Once the consumers are impressed with the work, it creates a foundation of trust for future transactions with the company. Integration. Talent in digital marketing must be able to integrate digital techniques effectively into all marketing channels, strategies, and activities. An effective marketing mix ensures a good outcome. Client relationship management. A strong client relationship is essential in any form of marketing. Digital marketers need to be able to manage relationships effectively, both with their clients and with the various technology tools and platforms they use. This too is essential for building trust with the clients. Strategic planning. Effective digital marketing requires a clear understanding of business goals and objectives, as well as an understanding of the latest marketing trends. A good digital marketer must be able to develop and execute effective marketing plans. Marketing plans need investment and brainstorming among colleagues. Effective copywriting. Effective digital marketing requires good writing skills. Digital marketers need to be able to write effective and emotionally engaging emails, social media posts, and website content. A convincible content writer persuades the customers to buy the company's services and products and keeps them up to date about new advancements. There are 5 steps you need to follow in order to develop soft skills in digital marketing. Take courses in digital marketing and soft skills. This will give you a foundation in the theory and concepts behind digital marketing, as well as the practical skills needed to be successful in the field. Some websites offer free courses for this, and some would offer courses at a discounted price for students. Get involved in digital marketing community. It's important to get involved in a digital marketing community that targets your specific interests and demographic. This will give you the opportunity to share your experiences and learn from others. Interaction with the community helps you look at strategies from different perspectives. Use digital marketing tools and platforms. As you get more comfortable with digital marketing, it will be easier for you to use the various marketing tools and platforms that are available. Practicing will make you efficient in using these tools. Stay up to date with latest digital marketing trends. In order to stay successful in the digital marketing world, it's important to be aware of the latest marketing trends and how they're impacting your business. One needs to take action plans based on what is trending in the market. Take online and offline exams. Completing online and offline exams will help you validate your progress and ensure that you're on the right track. Online exams are a perfect way to test your and consolidate your application-based knowledge. By following these steps, you will be able to develop soft skills in digital marketing that will help you be successful in the field. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share the video. It helps our channel grow. Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.